Hey, today we're going to do a super simple but always turns out delicious recipe. It's one of those set it and forget it recipes. It takes about 4 hours in the oven. What we have here is a whole pork shoulder picnic with the skin still on. Best part is we're only going to add 2 ingredients. It's all you need. A little bit of adobo seasoning and some cilantro base. So we got our skin side up and we're just going to score it in about bite-sized pieces, because when this crisps up, you'll be able to pick those off and enjoy them that way by themselves. Once you've gone diagonally across it, just the other way. So this is a big, thick piece of meat. Go ahead and season generously because you're only able to season the outside. It's going to get in there in all those crevices. Add my cilantro base. And this is potent stuff, so about a 1/4 cup for, this is an 8-pound picnic. That's all you need. So here's what it looks like after 18 hours. We let it run a little bit long. Initially only planned for 12. We preheated the oven to 320 degrees. We're going to go ahead and put it in. These crisp up nice and crunchy. I think you could hear that. Oh man, that's good. That's really good. That's what you want. All right, so that was a little bit different than predicted. We ended up cooking it for about 6 hours at 320 degrees, and then finished with probably another 30 minutes where we had it up at 485, and we actually turned the broiler on to get this crispy effect on the top. It came out really good. The flavor's really good. Our seasoning came through real nice. So now let's see beyond the skin how we did. This side worked out well. I'm going to flip it, see the not skin side, meat side here, and see how it does. Oh, that looks good. That looks real good. That is a good piece of pork. Can't go wrong with that recipe. I highly recommend trying it. Well, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks a lot.